What is it? ¿Qué lo que es?
Oh, eso lo usan en el sprint training, eso es un sensor, pero ese nada más como la goma, que yo la uso porque me siento bien en la casa.
Yeah, it's something that we use in spring training. It's just a sensor that we use, but there it's just the plastic that covers the bat right there. There's nothing else besides that.
You the only one that uses it on the team?
Well, el único en el equipo que usa eso. Yes.
What made you decide to use it in a regular game as opposed to just BP or spring training?
¿Qué? ¿Por qué decidiste?
No, yo tengo mucho usando eso desde el 2021, que cuando la usé la primera vez me sentí cómodo y lo pedí adicionales para usarlo en el juego porque me sentía cómodo en la gana.
So I started using it back in 2021. I just felt more comfortable using that, and from there on out, I asked for more of those plastic shells, and sure enough, I just felt more comfortable at the plate at night.
Pero eso es una trampa, ni tiene sensor ni nada. Eso
But
es mal plástico.
But it doesn't give like any advantage to me or anything like that. It's just something that I use like that.
Is it a tracker? Is it a device that...
Que si es algo que ve cómo te va del bate.
No, con el sensor sí, pero yo lo uso sin nada de eso, es por la cancha, ¿no?
With the sensor it is, but without it, it's just something to grab onto.
So the sensor was missing from it. It's just the cover.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's no sensor on it?
No sensor.
I just,
Oh,
Took it out.
and they thought it was a sensor? Did the umpires think it was a sensor?
I don't know.
Did you think that the Nationals were messing with you?
Que pensaste si una nacional estaba.
No sé. Fue el manager que lo mandó a quitar, no sé por qué.
I don't know really. It was just the manager that went out to say that they wanted to take it off, but I don't know why.
So you come back and hit a home run and 2 doubles?
Así que regresaste a hacer lo que hiciste.
No hay nada en contra de nadie, yo lo estamos haciendo el trabajo.
There's nothing against anybody. I'm just here to do the job.
What had you tapping the knob after the home run?
Y porque me estaba tocando.
Para que vea que no por eso que se batea. Uno está haciendo el trabajo, no por eso. Yo solo me siento cómodo con eso.
It's just to tell everybody that knob's the reason. It's not the reason why I'm doing a good job. You know, it's because of all the work that I'm putting out there.
You've been coming on hot lately. Again, how does it feel to be able to kind of work through your first kind of mini slump and then come out of it with some production?
Como regresar a tu forma ahorita, que estaba un poquito mal, pero ya regresando a forma.
Todavía estamos haciendo ajustes. Esto se trata de hacer ajustes. Va a haber muchos días malos y uno no tiene que sentirse mal por eso, porque eso es parte del juego. Hay que mantenerse positivo todo el tiempo y hacer los pequeños.
It's all about making adjustments. I mean, this game is all about that, right? So we're still working on it every day, making adjustments, and there's going to be some bad days as well, but you got to make some positive out of those as well.